Kid chaos? Backseat jungle? Fix it fast with Helteko's 9-pocket car organizers. No more messy madness. Tired of your backseat looking like a toy tornado hit it? Helteko's Backseat Car Organizer, 2-pack, is the ultimate road trip rescue kit for parents, snack addicts, and mobile tech lovers. Featuring 9 smartly designed storage pockets, a touch-friendly tablet holder, and kick-proof backseat protection, these kick mats are a dream come true for organizing chaos in style. Whether you're storing water bottles, books, crayons, snacks, or that one random sock your kid swears isn't theirs, everything finally has a home. Bonus, it even keeps your car looking spiffy and spill-free. Unlike flimsy alternatives that droop like your patience on a long drive, Helteko's backseat organizers are built like mini fortresses. Crafted with thick, high-grade polyester, reinforced plastic bars, heavy-duty straps, and sturdy mesh, they're not just pretty, they're practically indestructible. And yes, they're waterproof, so bring on the juice box spills, muddy shoes, and sticky fingers. These kick mats are tougher than a toddler's tantrum and ready for the long haul. Stop replacing cheap organizers and upgrade to the only ones that can survive your tiny passengers. No tools, no stress, no swearing, just a 2-minute setup that fits nearly every car type. Adjustable straps keep the organizers locked and loaded, whether you're in an SUV, minivan, sedan, or spaceship. Well, maybe not the spaceship, yet. Want to install it before school drop-off and still make it in time for coffee? Done. Need easy access to wipes, tablets, or snacks while driving? Boom, everything's right where you need it. This isn't just organization, it's sanity in strap form. Why shell out big bucks for gimmicky organizers that sag, snap, and slide? Helteko's kick mats deliver premium quality at a heck yeah price. With 2 full-size organizers in 1 pack, you're doubling the storage without doubling the cost. It's a family-sized win for anyone with kids, pets, messy partners, or road trip addiction. Not to mention, keeping your car clean and clutter-free helps maintain resale value, reduce stress, and, bonus, you'll never again hear "Mom, where's my" 42 times. When it comes to backseat storage, Helteko doesn't just organize, it revolutionizes. It's durable enough for daily chaos, classy enough to not scream kid mobile, and smart enough to outwit your mess. Whether you're commuting, road tripping, or just chauffeuring little humans around town, this organizer keeps your ride clean, your stuff sorted, and your sanity intact. So go ahead, kick clutter to the curb, and give your backseat the glow up it deserves.